back to my channel. It's me, Lala, also known as Resilient Curls. Today's video, I wanted to show you how you can refresh your faux locks so that you don't have to take them out as soon as you thought you would and make them look brand new. Now, this is a very easy tutorial and I'm pretty sure you've seen it if you were looking up this topic on other people's channels, but I just wanted to share how I do mine and how I was able to make this hairstyle last for 7 to 8 weeks. And for you, if you don't know me, that is something I never really do because I have a very sensitive and itchy scalp. But with this technique, I was able to, refresh my hair, make it look brand new, and I feel like I want to share it with you guys. So before we continue on in this video, I want to just let you know that to subscribe is free, so don't forget to subscribe down below by clicking on that red button down below. Give this video a thumbs up so that you are a part of the Resilient Curls family. Ideally, when you're trying to refresh your hair, I personally don't have time to do the whole head, so I'm just going to do the perimeter, which is what I've been doing for every few weeks after I feel like I want to have a fresh look. So I'll basically take like the first 2 or 3 rows of this hairstyle and I'll refresh them. The back is not going to be really seen, so I leave that alone. It is what it is. It'll do what it do, and that's about it. So the first thing you want to do is separate the hair that you're going to retouch.
Need someone else, someone who gets you. Don't stick around. I'm pretty wild, I don't do monogamy. Don't get me wrong, you and I could have fun together when I feel.
This is the hair that I'm going to be working with. The products that I'll be using for this refresh or this retouch is the Shine and Jam conditioning gel with extra hold. For my edges, I'll be using the Braid Glaze by Miche. Of course, my edge toothbrush. I have some clips, like clips that people use to retwist their hair. This is optional. I haven't really used it before, so I will try to use it because I think it'll help even better with, keeping the hair in place. You want to add some oil to your scalp. So I'm using the Miche Beauty Polished Hair and Scalp Oil, and I love this oil. It smells really good. So the first thing you want to do is get your jam of choice, whether it's a gel or like what I'm using, the Shine and Jam. And you're going to take the faux lock, and as you see, my new growth is right here. Grab some of the product on your fingertip. You don't need that much. And what you're going to do is apply it to the surrounding areas of the root. So you're just going to go all the way around. And by doing so, you're also defining the part, because as my hair grew out, the part kind of disappeared. So you're going to apply as much as needed, not a lot. You're going to get your edge brush. Just going to brush it down. Brush the loose hairs in place, like this. And you're going to begin twisting. So I like to twist counterclockwise, which means I'm going to turn or twirl the hair towards the left, towards my left hand. So you're going to just twist. And for extra hold, I'm using the root of the faux lock just to keep it in place. And usually I leave it like this, but since I do have these clips for today, I'm going to be, using them. So I'm going to take this clip right here and I'm just going to slide it in to hold it in place. And this is the first refreshed, retouched lock. And let's do this again. It's super easy and it really helped me throughout this install. So again, you're going to take the product, apply it to the root, not too much and definitely not too little. Go all the way around. Use your edge brush, brush it down to get all the loose hairs. And then you're going to twist you're going to twist towards the left, so twirling the hair, twisting the root of your hair towards the left.
I'm feeling good, rule every party. See how I shine when I'm alone, nothing can stop me. You should go out, meet someone else, someone who gets you. Don't stick around, I'm pretty wild, I don't do monogamy. Don't get me wrong, you and I could have fun together when I feel done.
And one thing I want to say is do not twist it so tight that you get a headache. You just want to twist it enough that it is laying flat and nice and smooth so you can actually see the parts. Because looking at this side, you can see the parts are defined, but if you were to look over here, parts where? Definition where? So now I'm halfway through the refreshing part and look at the difference. Look at my right side and look at my left. Do you see this? So this is what it looks like with me setting my roots. And now I'm just gonna set my edges a little bit so everything can set at the same time. So now I'm going to let this sit for about maybe 10 to 15, maybe even 20 minutes, and I'll be right back with the end results. Check them out. If you're interested in seeing how I install this hairstyle, I'll link the video right here for you in the cards or down below in the description box so you can check it out to learn how to install these individual crochet locks by yourself. And also, if you want to see how I maintain this hairstyle for 7 to 8 weeks, then find out how I wash these locks to make them brand new.